Hi my friends, welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. I'm Cori and today I have another unbagging unboxing. This is a package. I had to open it to find out who it was from, and it's from FG Normal. FG Normal is a wonderful company. They're a budget-friendly company, and they asked me if I would share their products with you and show you what some of the stuff that they have. And so I got 3 items, and hopefully we should be able to get through all of them today. I've got 2 diamond paintings and 1 cross stitch pattern, and I'm just gonna pull them out of the bag, then I'll push the bag to the side, and then we'll talk about whatever I pulled out. I've been happy with FG Normal. They've got good quality products for these budget-friendly places. They're really good with their service, and as you can see, that's a really pretty diamond painting. It's a little bit wrinkled, but not too bad. This canvas is a little stiff, but anyway, that's it. This is a pretty birdhouse with the bird in front, with the rose in front. There's 2 birds there, and I think that's a very pretty diamond painting, and it's a 30 by 30, just my size these days. I need to diamond paint in small spurts, and so this is my style right now, is doing the small ones. It comes with the regular toolkit, the regular green bow with square pink wax and a pink pen. And these are the drills. They are in the tiny packages, but since this is a tiny diamond painting, I think I can deal with it. It won't be too big of a burden to unkit this one. These are the colors. They are round drills. And those are the colors I would expect to see in that. They got the pastel pinks in here, and then the greenery for the background, and the browns for the house. So that is very pretty. It is a 30 by 30. It has 21 colors for this little bit of area, and the symbols are all alphabetical. And they are not in alphabetical order, but look at that drill field. See how clear it is? That is really a nice diamond painting. And oh, I didn't show you this up close. There is the image of what it was taken from. And I will have to wait and see how it translates. It looks like it will translate, and it's quite sticky. I'm worried about this bird right here. Maybe with the printing, it doesn't stand out very well, but the drills may be different. It may work just fine. But anyway, so I think that's a pretty diamond painting. And I'll see if I can, this one was, I couldn't find the English price, the American dollar price on this one, but it's £3.99. So I think that's probably somewhere around that for the US dollar. The other kit I have is right here. I was gonna check this one. It has the canvas number. The canvas number is here, so you can match it up that way, but they are not on the drills. The DMC numbers are on the table, and the DMC numbers are on the drill packets. So we'll see how this one is. It looks like it's printed a little different, so it may have been made in a different factory. Who knows? I do not know. Oh, yay! This one is in baggies. that is so awesome. The baggies have the kit number on there as well. And the baggies just have the number on them, the number in the kit. So, this one has the same type of drill kit, toolkit. And here is the image. I know that might be a little bit hard for you guys to see, but it is, right here is the thumbnail. It is a winter scene for a lighthouse. If y'all notice, there's a lighthouse theme going on around here. So, it has 20 colors. The symbols are numeric and alphabetic, but the numbers are in order as well as the alphabet. I know it doesn't really show up here, but I have faith that the drills will be more distinct. I hope they will be, but it's a winter scene, so the white is going to blend with the winter background at least a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one all the way, see if I can get it to lay flat. It's been a while since I've done this on camera. So anyway, they have the DMC numbers on here as well. It has the canvas number up here, and I think that's pretty as well. And now we have, oh, this Christmas winter scene for the lighthouse was $4.84 in US dollars. I was having a bit of trouble fiddling with it, and I was afraid I would lose it, so I just went with what they had in pounds on that first one. This one is a stamp cross stitch, and I want to thank one of my viewers. One of my viewers told me that the kits that are kitted up in this style are hurricane kits. So that was good information to know. And so I'm going to take her word for it till I hear different. This kit cost $8.48. Here are, I'll let you see. Here's the tool kit. It comes with a little bag. It has a butterfly on it. It has a partial thimble, a needle threader, and there's about five needles in there. So this is an 11 count. It came with the instructions on how to start it and how to finish it off, with a couple of examples of stitches in here. Most of these kits only have a full cross, so you don't really need all those fancy stitches. But I am looking for, oh, there it is. Here's the pattern. And here, you guys, that is a very nice clear thumbnail of the picture. Isn't that beautiful? I love tulips, you guys. Right now, tulips and hydrangeas are vying for my favorite flowers. So this one is kind of like the stained glass look, but it doesn't have, it's only around the edges that you see the stained glass effect. It's not within. There might be a little bit within. Yeah, there is. There is. Okay. So that's the tulip pattern. This pattern tells you that it's 11 count, and that it's 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. And this is the canvas number. This color number 40 is 3865, so it's a white background. So you don't need to do that white background if you don't want to. And it's 147 stitches across and 147 stitches high. And these have been coming on a little bit thinner paper than they used to. And I hear that it's no longer sticker paper. One of my viewers let me know that, and I'm gonna make an effort to try and see if I can separate it, because I would never use it that way, but I want to know. I just want to know, but I won't take your time up with that. I'll let you guys know. These are the colors. Look at those bright colors. I was not expecting that for those pastels, but that may be, let's see. Yeah, the bottoms of those flowers. That's where that bright oranges will probably be going. They almost look like neon. And so this is an extra hank of the 3865, which you probably don't need to use if you don't want to do the white background. And here we go. I'm going to shake it like this, and that'll help it unwind. And I need more space, so I'm going to bring it over here and do it. Yeah, oh my goodness. And there's two full cards of colors, and that means there's 40 colors, which it also will tell you here that there are 40 colors. The colors here, the symbols are here that are, this pattern will match what's on the canvas. They also give you the DMC numbers over here, but not on the cards. Now, I usually, when they're on cards like this, I usually redo them on floss drop cards, just because they're easier for me to handle than like this. So, let's take a look at these colors. This card has the browns and taupes, kind of a peach color. And this other card, look at all those colors. My goodness. I'll do some like this. Blue. It's just like, it's pastels, but some of them are quite vivid. I think this is going to be interesting. And, you know, there's some bright pinks over here, as well as some soft pinks. And some reds and grays and blues. I think this is going to be very pretty. Very pretty pattern. I'm going to put them together, put these cards together and wind it up. And I'll just do this. It's not quite what I expected, but I'm not disappointed. I think it's still going to be pretty, but let's look at the canvas and see what we think with that. This canvas has basically all that same information at the top. It is serged around the edge, which is always wonderful. And it's kind of hard to see the flowers, but you can see a little bit of the shape. But they do that so that it's easier for you to read as you're sewing, I think. I believe that's why they do that. The serge on the edge barely misses the writing, the numbers, which is good. This is not a good sign here, but let me. It is stamped clearly. It's on the grid. I think most of the symbols I can make out what they are. It looks like it came really close to being over dyed, but it, you know, it worked. It worked just perfectly. I think if it were any more dye on here, it would have been too much, but it's perfect. So, it's, like I said, this is 11 count. You'll use 3 strands with it. On this one, I use 2, but I don't recommend that especially if you don't want to see any of the background. But I'm okay with that. I'm happy stitching with 2 threads, just because it's easier for a bunch of different reasons. So, anyway, so I have here in my wonderful package from FD Normal, I have the tulips. The tulips, I'll show it up close again. The tulip kit right now is $8.48. And here, put it like that. And then I have the Lighthouse, Winter Lighthouse. The Winter Lighthouse is $4.84. And then I have the Birdhouse, which is $3.99. And there's the up close of that. I am really happy with this conglomeration of stuff that I got from FG Normal. I want to thank FG Normal for trusting me to share these products with you. I'm happy with them. I don't have a code for them, but I'll put the links below for all this stuff so that you can check them out, and if you want them, go ahead and order them. And I want to thank you guys for joining me for the diamond painting effect with Cori. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.